is actually based on a true story. It's a true story. It goes like this. This story about Joel is true. Every day he walked to school, and often he would find a quarter or a dime, and this is what Joel would do. He put the coins in his dresser drawer, saving to buy a game at the store. With all the coins he got, Joel saved up a lot, and he needed just a few bucks more. One day he got to school early. Joel walked to the yard near the tree. No one was around, but he noticed on the ground dollar bills, not one, but 3. That night his dad asked about his day. Joel, did you find more coins for your game? He said, I found 3 bills, but Dad, here's the deal. I'm not ready to buy that game. Dad, though no one was around, those dollars that I picked up from the ground, I kinda had a hunch they were for somebody's lunch. So I took them to the school, lost and found. I didn't want some kid to go hungry. His dad said, I'm proud of you. That was the right thing to do. In a way that Joel found not just money on the ground, but honesty and kindness too.